Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a new page on Google Forms. The first thing you want to do once on Google Forms after you have added your first set of questions, to make a new page, you'll simply tap right where you see Add Sections from the right hand column. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can see that you have created a new page. From here, you could add a description if you want. You can also add questions by tapping on the plus, and you could add in more questions. And just like that, you have created a new page. For example, if we were to tap on preview right here, you can see that we have the first page. Then by tapping on next, they will go onto the second page. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.